So one thing that you need to understand is that I think I have already mentioned this in the Remainder Theorem lecture. If you get a question like this, most probably the answer is going to be 0. Most probably. I'm not saying always it is 0, but most probably the answer is going to be 0. Because in this type of question, what happens is that this number, the number that you got will be exactly divisible by 100. So let's see how we can do this one. So here 85 into 87 into 89 into 91 into 95 into 96 by 100. So just try to simplify this one by cancelling out the same number in both numerator and denominator. So here I can cancel this by 5. So if I cancel this by 5, it will become 90. Here if I cancel by 5, it will become 20. Again here there is a 5 and here there is a 5. I can cancel by 5. So it will become 17 here if I cancel by 5. Here it will become 4. Now 96, if I cancel by 2, it is going to become 48. If I cancel by 2, it is becoming 2. Again, 48 is divisible by 2. I can cancel 2 in both numerator and denominator. It will become 24 and it will become 1. So that means our denominator is becoming 1. That means all the things are getting cancelled. That means this number, the number that is formed, is exactly divisible by 100. So the remainder will be 0. Okay. So the answer is 0.